Howdy folks, Tom here. This is another in the Truth Be Told series. Today, gonna talk about a terrifying incident that happened in the dark. This was in Fairview, North Carolina, just outside of Asheville, North Carolina. I lived out in the mountains, just out of town in the direction of Fairview. And yeah, I forget the name of the long road that you turn off of, or that you turn onto to get down to where I lived. But it was off the main road to Fairview, as you took a left out there, and it winded along the base of the nearby mountain range there. And it was a nice afternoon, doing some shopping at the Home Depot with my partner at the time. And we had one of those classic arguments where I was like, just let me out of the car, I'll walk back home, blah, blah, blah. And so she did. And I was walking, and I underestimated how quickly it was going to turn dark, because I was only about a third of the way back home when it was pitch black. And these old country roads in North Carolina don't have lights on them at all. You know, when you come up on a property, which might be every few miles, there would be like a light by the barn or a yard light, something like that. But it was either cloudy or maybe it was a new moon. I kind of remember seeing stars, but there was no moonlight or anything. And the only way I could tell if I was still on the road is if I walked off into the grass. That's how dark it was. Couldn't see your hand in front of your face, any of that. Well, anyway, I was probably at the 2/3 of the way home point. Still a good ways to go. And I started hearing really the scariest sound coming from my left, off in what might be a small field. It was the sound of flesh ripping and wet noises, and bones cracking. Not like little twiggy bones, but like big bones, like a solid crack. And I figured, well, it's either a bear or, you know, one of the mysterious cryptid creatures that the area is known for. In either case, I didn't want to be there. I was petrified, because I was thinking, well, if it's a bear, you know, they get real defensive around their meals. And, you know, I was just one man alone in the dark, couldn't see a thing. And so I started walking so quietly, just tiptoeing and praying with every breath that that creature would not hear me, and that it would continue enjoying its meal. And I'm here today to tell the story, so that is what happened. I slowly but surely gained my confidence that I had gotten past it, and made my way the rest of the way back to the place in the dark. Yeah. Careful what you ask for. You might just get it. And so that's all for today. I'm gonna do more of the Truth Be Told series, and that's All right, be on the lookout for those. Got more experiences to share.